rub, rub. Tickle, tickle. Stir, stir. Pat, pat. Stroke, stroke. Shrug, shrug. Pinch, pinch. Twirl, twirl. Wave, wave. Snap, snap. Press, press. Slap, slap. Punch, punch. Clap, clap. Flick, flick. Shake, shake. Crush, crush. Pull, pull. Push, push. Bend, bend. Ring, ring. Peel, peel. Chop, chop. Squeeze, squeeze. Scratch, scratch. Grab, grab. Hold, hold. Release, release. Tap, tap. Point, point. Poke, poke. Toss, toss. Catch, catch. Throw, throw. Lift, lift. Drop, drop. Twist, twist. Tear, tear. Fold, fold. Grip, grip. Knock, knock. Slide, slide. Pluck, pluck. Brush, brush. Smack, smack. Cover, cover. Uncover, uncover. Spread, spread. Gather, gather. Thump, thump. Scrape, scrape. Grasp, grasp. Wag, wag. Hug, hug. Shove, shove. Caress, caress. Wipe, wipe. Flip, flip. Beckon, beckon. Gesture, gesture. Pick up. Pick up. Great job learning today. You've just practiced over 50 hand action verbs, words we use every day in English to describe movement and action. Watch again, repeat the words out loud, and try using them in your own sentences. The more you see, hear, and say a word, the faster it becomes part of your English. See you in the next lesson.